Plans are in the works to restore the Houston County derailment site from late January. News 8's Madeline O'Neill now joins us to tell us more.
Martha, when the train derailed south of Brownsville, it spilled vegetable oil into the Mississippi River, and heavy equipment from dealing with the aftermath destroyed part of the landscape. But crews are keeping an eye on oil in the water, and there are now plans to restore the area. While the train cars are long gone from a derailment south of Brownsville in late January, some environmental problems remain. According to Canadian Pacific Railway, their freight train spilled 657 gallons of vegetable oil into the river, and they, along with local organizations, made a plan to monitor any oil still there.
As ice came out, we did see some appearing near the shoreline, and you can see behind me there's been some booms put out where we found that, and it was a very, very light sheen that was on the water. This is the flyway, and we get thousands and thousands of migrating waterfowl and water birds. We just don't want them sitting down if there's a patch of it that shows up.
While that oil is not toxic to birds,
it can coat their feathers and cause problems with flight and thermoregulation if it's thick on the water.
The plan also addresses cleaning up remaining train parts and restoring the scenic outlook to what it was.
Site restoration plan will target areas of the shoreline that were disturbed in the derailment. The goal will be to return that shoreline to its pre-existing slope so that it drains properly. Then we will plant a seed mixture consisting of varying types of vegetation native to the area. When complete, this work will help prevent erosion.
And that new vegetation may be even better than it was before.
But there was a lot of reed canary, which is an invasive grass species, and so yes, they're going to be trying to get some other plants that would have been here historically.
Our goal is to restore the site, to leave it as good or better than we found it whenever possible.
It's just good to get it back into a good cover that protects the river, the watershed, and provides habitat.
Canadian Pacific is still investigating why the train derailed, and they say their team will be out in the area in the next 2 weeks cleaning and preparing for the restoration projects.
Okay, but when it comes to the time frame, Madeline, what are they thinking about when this could start?
They think it will begin in early to mid-April.
All right, thanks a lot.